Alright, well, I bought this TTR 125 and the clutch handle had been broken off, so it was really sharp right here. So I ground it off and sanded it down temporarily. Well, I wanted to try out one of these. It is a stunt clutch. It's supposed to be a 2-finger clutch, and it's got adjustments on the back side of it. So you can either have a fast pull or a long pull, and the fast pull has a little more tension on it, and the long pull is easier to pull. I don't know what setting I'm going to use yet, so I'm going to test it out. I guess we'll figure it out as we go. Sometimes you can run this all the way in and give you enough play that you can pull this out and pull it off here. I'm going to have to use 2 hands to pull it off there, I think. But yeah, just like this, you pull out and line up this gap right here on the bottom, line this up, and then you can pull it out of the handle. Or if that doesn't work, you'll have to go down there and, you know, turn the arm a little bit so you'll be able to unhook it from that end. Okay, that worked. I just had to pull with 2 hands this direction. I had to pull that way with the cable, and I was able to unhook it and pull it off there. If you take and pull down real hard, you can get it out of there like that. And next you want to take your screwdriver and take these screws out. I already broke them loose. Trust me, they're not that easy to get loose from the first try. If they're that loose, there was something wrong in the first place. Get both screws out of it and throw the crap away. Once you get these Allen screws taken out, replace the one that you just took off the handlebars. Yeah, get these Allen screws tightened up and make sure it clears this part of your handle. What's neat about this, you see this can move, and the reason that is able to move back and forth is because you're different positions. That's your easiest position, middle, and that one feels about stock. I can pull that with pretty much 1 finger if I wanted to. So I can still hold the handlebars and pop the clutch if I wanted to ride wheelies or something like that. It's what it's supposed to be for. I mean, I'm not a wheelie rider, but it might be fun to practice and learn on. As you can see, somebody's already pre-broken the back fender for me. So if I break the fender, it's no big deal. Guess what? It's already broke. I installed it. It moves about that much before it hits any tension. So I started it up and it seems to do pretty good. Let's see if I can start this with 1 hand on the phone. There it goes. I think it'll be fine. Yeah, I hate it when a moth decides to come interrupt the video. Okay, this clutch handle gets my vote. Now, I'll put a link below of this clutch handle. If you want to spend the $140 to get one that you have to have a name brand one, more power to you. But I think this one does good.